Hey friends, good morning. It's Julie. Welcome back to Row & Co Farms. I am cleaning my kitchen. I'm almost finished. I got a pile of dishes that are clean right here I'm gonna put away. And then I need to do some inventory on some of my freezer items. In March, I'm gonna be part of a canning collaboration and I need to get a few things out and get ready for whatever I'm gonna can for that. And I think I'm gonna pull out some of the meats that are in my freezer and get those canned up. I think I'm also gonna work on canning up some dry beans, just a few other little projects that are in the works. And I think you guys could come along with me and see what I'm doing for the day. So I'm gonna can up also some pinto beans, some black beans, and we're gonna let all these chickens thaw out. So I think there's 7 here, 7 or 8. We'll let those thaw, and then we will can those up bone in as bone-in chicken. It's my favorite time in the afternoon where I make myself a cup of tea, and this is one of my favorites. This Tazo tea, it's wild orange flavor, and I absolutely love it. So my husband and I are going to pick up a load of compost and soil from our local nursery. I say it's local, it's about a 30-minute drive, but that's local for us. That's the closest that we can get. We're gonna head there today. We have a dump trailer. We get several scoops of things loaded into that, and then we'll bring it back and start working on some more flower farm stuff. So let's head out. Here my husband is just adding on to our no-dig flower farm beds. We've been working on getting these established for the last few weeks. Look for a video to be coming soon on all the flower farm stuff that we have going on. Here in my laundry laundry room is the start of my flower farm. This is where it begins. Oh, I've got some stuff that is starting to germinate here. Oh no, my cat. My cat has been in here. But look at that, I've got germination. Look at that, almost 100% germination here. All the way down. And my cats, so you see where my cats have gotten in and destroyed some of these soil blocks. They are not nice. Oh, yeah, they've pulled stuff out of here too. Okay. Yep, this is where the flowers start. So I want to make some scones. My friend Constance at A Good Life Farm inspired me to make some scones that she was making on her channel the other day. So what I did was grabbed my gluten-free cookbook to see if there was a scones recipe in there, and there was. And so I grabbed the stuff I needed for that, which was sorghum flour. Oh, what was in that recipe? Sorghum flour, tapioca starch, and potato starch, which I have on my shelf, along with some brown sugar, some baking soda, some baking powder, vanilla, what else? Oh, powdered sugar, orange juice, or lemon juice. You can use lemons or oranges for this recipe. I'm gonna see if I have enough stuff to do a batch of both. Some lemon and some orange. So yeah, I'm excited. Let me pull the stuff together that I need and let's make scones. Ah, yum. So I ended up making a hybrid of the recipe in this book plus the recipe from my friend Constance, and I'm gonna link both of those down below so you guys can see what I was working with. But this is a hybrid of these two recipes together. I'm making scones.
Stone?
Scones.
Okay.
He doesn't know what that is. After making the scones, I decided tonight for dinner we were going to have curry with some leftovers that we have used earlier in the week. It was really delicious. I fried off some curry paste in the pan and then added all of the delicious ingredients like tomatoes, chickpeas, coconut milk, bone broth, lentils, and all kinds of goodies in there. It was really, really delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today, and I'm going to leave recipes and links to everything that we talked about today down below, and I can't wait to see you guys next time here at Row & Co Farms.